Hello to everyone who's watching this video. This video will explore into hardware description language, which during the video will be shortened as HDL, as well as computer language, and we will showcase the differences between both.
First of all, we are going to talk about computer programming language, which is basically a notation of writing programs, which can compute a problem or help the user control an external device by using algorithms written by the author. It has a textual description with statements, expressions, and control structures, which allow it to perform a wide array of tasks.
In the meantime, hardware description language employs the same textual description. However, hardware description language explicitly includes the notation of time, which allows it to describe the functionality and timing of a hardware.
Next, let's start going deeper and figure out the differences between hardware description language and computer programming language. Hardware description languages are used to provide a precise and formal description of an electronic circuit, which allows for analysis, simulation, and modeling of an electronic circuit. It also can be compiled to create integrated circuits. Hardware description languages become very necessary nowadays as electronic circuits become more and more complex, so it is not always practical to physically test them out.
Let's go back to computer programming languages. Computer programming languages typically lack explicit notation of time, which is an important feature of hardware description language. Computer programming languages are more generally used to perform computations and to control external hardware.
At any rate, concerning the benefits of hardware description languages, it allows for the simulation of electronic circuits without the need for a real physical circuit for testing, which increases efficiency all around as it can be done digitally, saving time and money. As such, most digital circuits nowadays revolve their designs around hardware description languages.
We will now talk about how to design a new circuit with hardware description language. To design a new circuit, first of all, you will have to start by setting forth a set of requirements that the circuit must fulfill. The second step, control structures are then prototyped in flowchart applications, and then after that, the programmer can then start to write an algorithmic description and the actual writing of the hardware description language code.
In conclusion, hardware description languages and computer programming languages are highly similar in form, but differ greatly in their capabilities and intended functions. Hardware description languages are very important as many things we use nowadays have embedded electronic systems, which all need to be designed, and hardware description language is the best way to do so, while computer programming language is needed to create the software that will be used by computers, which are all around us as well. So in conclusion, they are both equally important.
This has been Alex and Ezra. Thanks for watching.